Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Nigar Sultana, your maths teacher from class 2. How are you all? I hope you are all good by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I will teach you exercise 15.1 probability. Now the name of this chapter is probability. Now at first we have to know what is probability. Probability is the chance that something will happen or not. Sometimes we can measure probability with a number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 10%, 20%. And sometimes we can use words such as impossible, likely, even, unlikely and certain. Now number 1. Circle the correct answer. Number A is I am more likely or less likely to meet an alien than a doctor. Here is less likely. I am less likely to meet an alien than a doctor. Number B, I have more chance or less chance of getting on a train than a rocket. Here is more chance. I have more chance of getting on a train than a rocket. Number 2 here. For my lunch, I will. Here is 3 options for us. Food, my knife and fork, some vegetable. And here is a probability scale below. Look at here: impossible, unlikely, even, likely and certain. Here impossible. Impossible means there is no way that event will happen. Next one here is likely. Likely means that the event will probably happen. Here is certain. Certain, it will absolutely happen. Here our option is food, my knife and fork and some vegetables. Here in impossible, here we have to write my knife and fork. Because of our question is for my lunch I will eat. So my knife and fork is impossible for eating. After that, here's some vegetable, and for my lunch, vegetable here likely, and food. Food is certain. For my lunch, I will eat, and here food is certain. Now look at here in number 3. In number 3, Harry has to pick a ball to decide which team goes first. Here, red ball, blue ball, yellow ball. Here is the bag. Here we can see red ball and blue ball. And red ball is more than blue ball. Here red ball, Jesse's team, blue ball, Robert's team, and yellow ball, Chelsea's team. Number A, which team is more likely to go first? Here we can see red ball is more than blue ball and red ball is the team of Jesse's team. So Jesse's team is more likely to go first. Number B, which team has no chance of going first? Here yellow ball is Chelsea's team. And in this bag here is no yellow ball. So the answer will be Chelsea's team. Now number 4. Number 4 is when scores, if a 5 is rolled. Krishna scores if the numbers is even. Toby scores if the number is 3 or more. Now, first one, Who will score if I roll a 2? Who will score if I roll a 2? Ben scores it a 5 is rolled. Krishna scores it the numbers is even. Numbers is even. So who will scores if I roll a 2 here? Here is Krishna. Who will score if I roll a 4? Roll a 4 here is even number is Krishna. And here Toby scores if the number is 3 or more. So the answer here, Toby and Krishna. What numbers does Toby need to score? Here, Toby scores if the number is 3 or more. So 3 or more here, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Who is the most likely to score if I roll the dice? Here Ben scores it 5. Krishna is even, and even is 2, 4, 6. And Toby scores if the number is 3 or more. 3 or more, that means 3, 4, 5, 6. So here the answer will be Toby. So Toby is the most likely to score if I roll the dice. I hope everyone understand chapter 15.1. Thank you everyone. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.